So since you've done both, and it's been about 3 years apart, I guess, between diploma and AICPA, what would be the key differences, and what's your final take on, which would you have preferred in hindsight?
Right. So going back, I will make a very clear demarcation between the diploma and the certification. Diploma is probably for gone out from the college or has just been enrolled into the CA or have done the CA final just recently, very means starting of their professional life. They want to know more about how to prepare the balance sheet, how to prepare the finance OCIs, the cash flow statements. Probably diploma is good for them because that gives them a much more clear option of how to use the IFR policies, the IAS. But someone who like us who has been in the system for almost like 20-25 years, who doesn't prepare the balance sheet or the PNL or the OCIs or the cash flow I mean, to their hands, but who can define why we need to have the certain IFRS in certain areas based on the local regulations, how to frame the policies around the IFRS or the IAS numbers. I would suggest IFRS is for them. Okay. And that is where you will actually drive a better coordination among your finance teams. You can guide them. You can tell them, okay, this certain adjustment is not as per the policy. We have to do as per the policy of IFRS, and you should be following whatever for revenue, for IFRS 15, for IFRS 16, you have to follow this methodology or this process. But of course, you will not be preparing the balance sheet or the P&L. And if you want to do that, probably this diploma is for you. But I would always suggest if you are a professional, experienced professional, you want to implement your policies, the procedures in your organization or in your area of work, then IFRS certification is the place because that gives you the more theoretical perspective of why and how the IFRS are getting rolled on or is being put into place.